Model 2020 Peugeot Boxer 2.335 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro L2H2 body, white, panel van mileage, 104,845 MOT, the 30th of January 2025 engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, doesn't run, bottom end bearings are knocking. Needs multiple injectors replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, aircon, electric windows, sat-nav EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cab retail, £7,750. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.